dt equal to 1 minus e power minus 2s 0 to 2. What is f of t? T square. This is f of t square e power minus st dt. Correct? Now, up to here, no confusion. I will show integration by parts. How integration by parts comes. L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2s. First function is t square. Integration of second is e power minus st by minus s. So limits 0 to 2. Next, differentiation of this, differentiation of minus we have to write, you know that differentiation of this is 2t, then integration of this is e power minus st by minus s into minus s, that is s square, between 0 to 2. How that will come? I will write here. Somebody was asking. Integration e power minus st by minus s will be equal to minus 1 by s outside. This is with respect to t. Minus 1 by s outside, 0 to t, 0 to 2 e power minus st dt. This is equal to minus 1 by s, 0 to 2 e power minus st dt will become minus 1 by s as it is. Integration of this is minus st by minus s between 0 to 2. E power minus st by, if you multiply that, minus into minus plus s square. Like this, it will become e power minus st by s square. Understood this? How I have written that e power minus st by s square. This is not t, this is plus s square. Now this is equal to, again we have to do differentiation. I haven't completed integration by parts. Differentiation of this again is 2. Integration of this again will be e power minus st by s minus s cube, 0 to 2. I will show that again, how that will be equal to. I need integration of e power minus st by s square, right? 1 by s square outside as it is, 0 to 2 e power minus st dt, 1 by s square. Integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s between 0 to 2. I write s outside, minus 1 by s cube e power minus st 0 to 2. Correct? That's why this is e power minus st by minus s cube, 0 to 2. 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2s. Now apply the limit. It is showing like this. Apply the limit. For upper limit, this is 2 square e power minus 2s divided by minus s minus lower limit 0 is there. This will become 0. Correct? Minus. For this 4, because 2 into 2 4 e power minus 2s by s square, again lower limit is 0. I will write minus here because minus into plus minus 2 e power minus 2s by s cube minus 2 into e power 0 by s cube. Correct? Next, after this, this is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2s, 4 e power minus 2s by minus s, minus 4 e power minus 2s by s square, minus 2 e power minus 2s by s cube plus 2 by s cube. Correct? This is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2s. What I can take? I can take 2 common. 2 by s common. So that will become 2 e power minus 2s by minus 1 minus 2 e power minus 2s by s minus 2 I took common e power minus 2s by s square plus 1 by s square. Okay. So if you take s cube common, then you will get like this. So you can leave here itself, or if they ask to prove, then take s cube common. Here they took s cube common. Take LCM, take s cube common. Then it will become 1 minus of this, or you can leave here itself. Just apply the limit and leave. Okay, any doubt in this? Understood? Understood or not? You're taking this much risk, you should at least respond. Okay, so we move to next problem. You saw the notes correctly. I'm holding one phone. I'm holding a phone in my hand. So that's why we are taking this much difficulty to show this. I thought this may be difficult. We can't explain using PPT. That's why I am using this. Okay, next problem. F of t equal to e for 0 less than t a by 2 minus e a by 2 t less than a, where f of t plus a equal to f of t. Show that L of f of t equal to e by s tan hyperbolic as by 4. Okay, this is the problem. First thing what you have to do, we have to first write Laplace transform of periodic function. L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus st 0 to t e power minus st f of t dt. What is t here? Means capital T. What is capital T? Can anybody tell what is capital T? Capital T is, yes, capital T is A only. So wherever A is, T is there, we need to substitute A. F of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as 0 to a power minus st f of t dt. ಅದಿನ್ನೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 40 minutes ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 minus e power minus as 0 to a e power minus st f of t dt. We can't directly write f of t. Why? It is, we have two values for f of t. That's why I have written just f of t. 0 to a e power minus st f of t dt. We have to split this. Why? Because in problem you can see it is not value of f of t between 0 to a. It is divided into two parts, 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a. So here also what we have to do, we have to divide these limits between 0 to a by 2 e power minus st f of t dt plus a by 2 to a e power minus st f of t dt. So this will become 0 to a by 2 e power minus st. What is f of t? What is f of t between 0 to a by 2? Between 0 to a by 2, f of t is e plus a by 2 to a e power minus st. What is f of t? Again f of t here. What is f of t? Minus e. So here I will write minus e dt. Now this I have written. I will come back to this. I'll come back to this. So L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as. This I changed 0 to a by 2 e power minus st e dt plus a by 2 to a e power minus st minus e dt. With respect to t we are integrating, means e we can take out as common. 1 by 1 minus e power minus as e 0 to a by 2 e power minus st dt plus a by 2 to a, again minus e common outside, e power minus st dt. 1 by 1 minus e power minus as e. What is integration of this? E power minus st by minus s between 0 to a by 2 minus e. Again integration of this is e power minus st by minus s between a by 2 to a. Now substitute the limits. In this I will take e common. E I will write outside. E by, and I can write s also, right? S also I will write outside. E by s 1 minus e power minus as. E power minus st by minus s between 0 to a by 2 minus into minus is plus. So sorry, this s I have written outside. E power minus st a by 2 to a. E by s 1 minus e power minus as upper limit e power minus a by 2 s. We need to substitute for t, not for s. Be careful. E power minus as by 2. I haven't taken minus outside now, so minus will be there. Then minus into minus plus e power 0. Then plus for this e power minus as minus e power minus as by 2. E by s 1 minus e power minus as minus e power minus as by 2 plus 1 plus e power minus as minus e power minus as by 2. E by s 1 minus e power minus as one minus 2 e power minus as by 2 plus e power minus as. So this is equal to E by S. I can write this as 1 minus e power minus as by 2 whole square. Okay, you can write this as 1 minus e power minus as by 2 whole square divided by 1 minus e power minus as. Correct? We are doing this step because they asked what they asked in question. Where is this question? This, to show that. That's why. Otherwise, we can keep as it is. After applying the limit, keep this one. But here they are asking to show. That's why you need to do this step also. Understood? I will continue next. So you can write e power minus as as e power minus as by 2 whole square. Correct? E power minus as as e power minus as by 2. As by 2 whole square. So not visible properly. Wait, I will. E power minus as e power minus as by 2 whole square. Can I write like this? So what happens? Here is the last sheet. Yes, this is the last sheet. Up to here we did e power this. Up to here we did. Numerator won't change. E by s 1 minus e power minus as by 2 whole square 1 minus e power minus as by 2 1 plus as by 2. Okay, that will give e power as only. Okay, this is same as, sorry, don't write like this, 2as by 2. This is equal to e power minus as by 2 whole square. Okay, so this is one step before this. How you got this? Okay, one step before that. Now this will cancel out with this. So e 1 minus e power minus as by 2 divided by s 1 plus e power minus as by 2 as it is. Okay, so to get tan hyperbolic, you need to multiply and divide by, why that turned, so multiply and divide by, multiply numerator and denominator e power minus as by sorry, not minus, as by 4 to get tan hyperbolic. L of f of t equal to e by s. If you multiply numerator, e power as by 4 divided by e power as by 4. This step we are doing because to get tan hyperbolic. Okay. So this into this will be e power as by 4 minus. You can add the powers because base same. You can add the powers as by 2 plus as by 4. And again in denominator e power as by 4 plus e power minus as by 2 plus as by 4. Add the powers. E by s, e power as by 4 minus e power minus as by 4 you will get. You can take the LCM. LCM for 2 and 4. Then again as by 4 plus e power minus as by 4 you will get. Okay. So this is nothing but e by s tan hyperbolic as by 4. This is L of f of t. Understood? Understood or what? Now let me take rest for 2 minutes. Now, which way I have to teach? This is the main question. Which one you are feeling comfortable? Which one you are feeling comfortable? Okay, then I will use Zoom only because we tried in Google Meet. We are not getting that. That's why you need to sacrifice something to get something. If you want everything means it is very difficult. I tried according to what you told, but we are not getting. Anyhow, we'll get 10 minutes break between for 2 sessions. We can that auto admit I will check. Other than that, you can use this. Our intention is to learn. That's all. Keep that in mind. That's taking this much risk. I got left hand pain by holding the phone because if I use stand, it is not focusing properly. I'll check that also. After this 10 minutes, I will check that also. You need to log in again now. In that time, I will check using that stand. My intention is to you should see and you should learn. I was not comfortable with. I was not satisfied with the teaching with the screen. That numericals and all, it is okay. But this one we need to write. Okay, shall we follow this only? Only 2 of them are telling. I know you also have many problems, but something we should adjust now. Okay. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 of them want this method. Yes, sir. Simply copy paste. Copy paste. Okay, we'll go to next method then. This is the question. If f of t equal to t between limit 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to a, 2a minus t, a less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2a, f of t plus 2a equal to f of t. So we have two sub question. Sketch the graph f of t as a periodic function. Show that L of f of t equal to 1 by s square tan hyperbolic as by 2. Okay, this is the two questions. First thing is we need to plot the graph. For that, theory is sufficient. We need not write. So, right. You're seeing the notes. So first thing, first we will plot the graph, then that problematic finding Laplace transform will come. First I will show how to plot graph. So here t is there. So let f of t equal to y. Okay. In case of f of t, I will take just y, just for representation. So y equal to t is a straight line. So for first one I am telling. So f of t, I will take y. So y equal to t is a straight line, correct? Y equal to t is a straight line. Passing through the origin, making an angle 45 degree. You know, y equal to x means this graph. Y equal to x means this is the graph. So here also y equal to t means same thing only. You will get graph like this. Y equal to t, you will get like this. Y equal to x or y equal to t. Next, passing through the making an origin 45 degree with the t axis. Y equal to 2a minus t or y equal y plus. So here in place of f of t, this one over, this one f of t equal to t over will come to this f of t equal to 2a minus t. F of t is nothing but y. So I will take y equal to 2a minus t. What happens? Y equal to 2a minus t is nothing but take this t this side. So that will be y of plus t equal to 2a. Divide all the values by 2a. Divide both numerator and denominator by 2a. So this will be t by 2a plus y by 2a equal to 1. Is a straight line passing through the points 2a comma 0 and 0 comma 2a. Correct? It is like x by 2a plus y by 2a. So what happens? So this is one graph, y equal to t. Another graph will be like this. This is one graph. Another graph will be here if it is 2a, here if it is 2a, then this is the line. This is the line. Okay. This is y equal to 2a plus t. This is y equal to t. So this is the graph what you will get. You have to write neatly 0 to t, 0 to y. Instead of x, I am taking t. That's all. Then this is y equal to t. This is y equal to 2a minus t. Okay. If this is 2a, this will be a. The periodic function f of t is called triangular wave function. This function is called triangular wave function. Okay, first part understood. Triangular wave function. So it will repeat. You may ask the question. You told, sir, wave function means, sorry, periodic function means it will repeat. It should repeat. This pattern should repeat. Why? Where it is repeating? You may ask. So it will repeat like this. It will repeat like this. Okay, it will repeat like this. So what is the period? Means what is that original copy where it is taking Xerox? It is like Xerox copy. This one, it is similar to this one, is similar to this. This one is similar to like this. So 0 to 2a. 0 to 2a is the original part. So t will be 2a. That length will be 2a. So t is equal to 2a. Now second part will start in second session. Just take, so 1 minute is left. I will end. I will start second one after this. You can rejoin after the completion of this session.